apenas já vai. Desce, desce, desce. Hã? Você não quis fugir ainda? Calma. Chega.
Holy shit. What the f...
Gorge those eyes on pillars of the flesh as the uploading left the physical world behind. I never wanted to finish college. Mom lived in her sickness for months.
Shit! Oh.
Right, that to me is that's the dream. I mean, a kid who was born when his dad was 17 years old, right? I mean, this is kind of amazing that you were able to do that.
Yeah, I mean, I think how I think he would be.
Yeah. I mean, as I said to you earlier in this interview, all the odds were against you. Like that, the statistics were against you when he was born.
But you got one on the left.
Looks like our left, let's go.
Got one coming from the right. Have a good one. See y'all later. Yeah, maybe. Watch that forest passing you guys.
See you in a little bit. Holy crap, that was the most dangerous shit I've ever seen.
Cross Creek Road.
Or coming down the hill at you.
So muffled, dude, I can barely make out anything in this thing.
You good? We got through it. Yeah, Ryan's right behind me.
Wow. Look at that.
April 7th, that's a lot.
Yep.
April 6th, something like that.
Gearing up. Got a new fire pit in my backyard. Looking forward to it.
I signed up for gigabit internet yesterday.
Where? With who?
AT&T.
Signed up with Google Fiber.
No. I don't have it yet. I just signed up yesterday. It'll install next week. So, yeah, I'm really curious to see how this goes. So they're rolling it out. It's only going to be 300 megabits at first, and then they say later in the year they'll bump it up to 2 gigabit. So there's going to be...
So it's telling you 300 megabits.
There's going to be 3 different service providers offering gigabit internet in Austin this year.
None of them are Time Warner, though.
None of them are Time Warner.
Time Warner.
It's AT&T, Grande, and Google Fiber will all be rolling out gigabit.
I kind of just want Google Fiber because
I get you on that.
for the all-around protection it provides.
Even though it didn't lift your spirits.
Well, I hope the mother tongue would also lift the spirits of the soldiers.
Oh, I think if you know it's going to protect you, I think that you could do a fair bit of spirit lifting, just knowing that science went into it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll leave it there. Yours, thanks for speaking with us.
No, that truck just smashed into the bridge. Oh my gosh.
Off the leg of Weegar now. It's pretty good game here then. Weegar, who has Florida's lone goal, will skate ahead up left wing. His backhand pass almost picked off the neutral zone. Achari now bounces one to the left of Polak. Polak corrals it.
Jesus!
To the corner.
No.